Right, someone asked me about home switches, limit switches, and we being an absolute system, do you have to have them? The answer is no, you don't have to have them if you don't want them. Our machine has actually got them on for the limits, in case something was to go wrong. It's got for safety. We don't actually ohm to a switch. So our ohm position, machine 0 as such, is actually in the middle of its travels. So if we send it to machine 0 now, you'll see entering. Right, that is machine 0. So if we get the coordinates page up, you'll see it says machine 0. Now we have it just using soft limit. So if we jog the machine now, you'll see on that screen soft limit has happened. That means it's hit the limits. If you notice in Y it's 192 in the positive, and if we go to the parameters, push the parameters there, you'll see in the axis tab for the Y axis the positive direction is 192, the negative direction is minus 330, and if we jog it to the negative, you see the machine just stops on its own. We didn't stop it, it stops itself. The machine coordinates is minus 330. So that's it. It can have limits if you want to fit them. So our machine has, but we never actually touched them. They are a physical limit, which if there was a problem they'd hit and stop the machine. But we don't ohm it to a switch, we just use the absolute position. And because it's an absolute system, it knows where it is at all times. You turn it off and it remembers where it was. If you was to move it while it was turned off by manually rotating it, it knows about this because the encoders are always active and watching. So they're backed up by a battery, so if they move, they know they've been moved. The position will update and show you when you start the machine. It updates. So that's it. So yes, you can have the switches, but you don't need the switches if you don't want. Cheers.